Since papalapit na ang Civil Engineering Board exam, mag-solve tayo ng one past board problem per day. For our day 1, meron tayong MSTE problem kung saan in a city, streets run north and south, and avenues run east and west. Streets and avenues are 850 feet apart, and the city plans to construct a straight freeway from the intersection of 25th Street and 8th Avenue to the intersection of 115th Street and 64th Avenue. How long will the freeway be? So, first step palagi natin dito is to visualize the problem. Meron daw tayong system of roads na ganito yung itsura. At yung naming convention natin is yung north to south ay tinatawag na streets at yung from east to west ay tinatawag na avenues. So, pangalanan natin to. Ito daw ay avenue, ito ay street. Now, meron tayong dalawang points of interest dito. Yung 25th Street and 8th Avenue na sabihin natin nandito. And 115th Street and 64th Avenue na let's say nandito. So, ang gusto daw natin gawin is to construct a freeway connecting these two. Now, ang question is, gaano kahaba daw yung freeway natin? So, siguro naisip nyo na gagamit lang tayo dito ng Pythagorean theorem. So, sige, i-visualize natin siya ng mas maayos by drawing a Cartesian plane. So, let's say ito yung Cartesian plane natin. Yung streets gawin nating nasa y-axis and yung avenues nasa x-axis. And i-plot natin yung dalawang points of interest. Meron tayong 25th Street and 8th Avenue. Nasaan yun? 25th Street and 8th Avenue. Siguro nandito siya. 25, 8. So, ito yung unang point of interest natin. Yung pangalawa naman is at 115th Street and 64th Avenue. So, 115 and 64. Ayan. So, i-connect lang natin silang dalawa. And to get the length of this line, gagamit lang tayo ng distance formula. So, plug in lang natin sa calculator yung coordinates nila. Yung x-coordinates natin ay 64 and 8 and yung y-coordinates ay 115 and 25. Ano ulit ang distance formula? This is the square root ng difference ng x-coordinates squared plus yung difference ng y-coordinates squared. Makakakuha tayo ng 106 pero hindi pa dyan tapos yung problem. Kasi yung streets at avenues daw ay 850 feet apart. So para ma-apply natin yung scale, i-multiply natin siya sa 850. So yan, meron tayong 90,100 feet. Pero, ang tinatanong or ang nasa choices kasi ng board exam na ito ay in miles. So, paano natin i-convert yung feet to miles? Hindi nyo na kailangan i-worry yun kasi sa Canon F789, meron na siyang automatic na convert function. So, paano gamitin yung convert function? Just press convert and select nyo yung original na unit nyo, in this case feet, at yung final na unit nyo na in miles. So, ang sagot natin would be 17.06 miles. Ayun, so don't panic kapag hindi nyo alam yung conversion, pwede nyo gamitin yung function ng Canon. Follow for more tips and calculator techniques.